filling blanks. Filling the blank. The Visual Basic is based on the Dash programming language. It is a based on the basic language, basic programming language. Very good, beta. Next question is actions such as pressing key, clicking mouse, selecting checkbox are known as events. Known as events. Next question is a dash is an interface through which user interact with the application. Form. Very good, beta. Form is an interface. Next is dash contain various controls such as command button, text box, labels. It is toolbox. Next is dash are the attributes that define appearance and behavior of objects. Properties. Next is dash window is used to write code for any object. Code window. The dash display the list of projects that has been created in the recent past. It is recent project pan. The dash next is dash function key is used to run is F5. So these are fill in the blanks. Now, true false. Visual Basic was launched in year 1991. So it was introduced in May 1991. So it is true. Toolbox is an interface through which a user interacts with the application. False. Form is an interface. The object window is used to write code for any object. No, code window is used. A label is used to get input from the user. No. Text box are used, but it says label is for displaying the text. So it is false. Visible property of label control determine whether the control is visible or hide. It is true. Okay, whether you want to display the control or not. So which property decide? Visible. Next is locked property of text box control determine whether we can move or resize it. Okay, ये true है. If it is locked, you can't resize. Clear? You can't resize the particular object. Next is multi-line properties of text box control decide whether text will be displayed in single line or multiple line. Yes or no? It is true or false? It is true. Next, there are some application-based questions. Now, first question is, Manas is a regional manager of a company. He is to update himself by writing his daily plans and thoughts on a label in Visual Basic form. Which property of label control will be suggest him to use? Better he want to write daily plans. लेबल की टेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. लेबल तो कुछ है, प्रॉपर्टी कौन सी होगी? टेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है, तो राइट डाउन टेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. by default there is a label 1 label 2. he want to customize. ठीक है, तो टेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Swati wants to display a list of forms and other objects that constitute the application. Which window would you suggest her to organize the form in a branching structure? Yes, beta. In which window the different created objects are displayed in a branching way? Solution Explorer. So write down Solution Explorer. Then 10 MCQs. Which of the following is an example of text box? Text box is a control. It is not a property. It is not a method. It is a control. Name the mode in which we can create object and write logical statement. It is a run. Name the mode in which we can create objects and write logical statement. Design mode बेटा. Objects सिर्फ design mode में आते हैं. Next is name the window that display list of forms and other objects. Display the list of forms. Solution Explorer. Which property of text box control is used to set the maximum length of a text? It's a max length. Which function key is used to execute Visual Basic? It is F5. What is the extension of Visual Basic form? .vb. Next, there are some descriptive questions. What is the difference between text box and label controls? In text box, otherwise you will write the meaning of a text box and labels. But text box is a small box in which user gives the data. Okay, but in a label is predefined with the help of text property we change the data. Okay, दोनों में difference है. Otherwise, in page number in page number 91, in a recap, there are meaning of text box and the label. Next is, what is Visual Basic and its significance? Visual Basic is a event-driven programming. By using that, we can create the forms like give the introduction of a Visual Basic. In a first paragraph of your chapter, what is Visual Basic? So you will write here exactly the meaning of a Visual Basic. Next is, what do you mean by understand by event-driven programming? Again, event-driven programming is a programming in which this is page number 84. Yes, there is a question. What is property window? Again, this is defined in the page number 87. Clear? Next is define the various component of Visual Basic window. So here Visual Basic window components are menu bar, toolbar, title bar, toolbox, main window. This is page number 86. Better define in a single line. Okay. I'm going to discuss. Question number. Better event-driven programming is defined in page number 84. Here is a event-driven programming is here. Okay. Any doubt here? Next question is, what is the use of project window and solution explorer? This is your property window is defined in page number 87. And solution, beta project where project window is not here, beta. In place of project window, write down here property window, not a project window. Property window. आपके project window is not in the case of your. पर वो आपको name is not a proper beta. Yeah, recent project window. Beta here is in page number 85 there is a recent project pan. So word is wrong there. They use project window. There is no any project window. तो वहां पे लिख लो यहाँ पे the different आप in page number 85 there is recent project pan. Okay, clear? There is no any project window beta. बेटा देखो मैं करो write down what is the use of recent project pan and solution explorer. Is it clear? Next is identify the controls. First is your button, command button. Then there is a label, not a text, label. Third is image, and fourth one is it is a select. बेटा ये select होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Arrow is here. Pointer. So any doubt in this? Yes, beta. Beta, in notebook, you will write only the question number E. E your notebook. Beta, here is name of the controls. First is command button. Yes, beta. Then A, it means it is a label. Here is an image, and third one is pointer. Beta, here is command button. So now, next chapter that contain your yes, offline student, be silent now. Any doubt in the answers? Beta, in a recap, in a event driven programming, the statements are executed only when a corresponding event occurs. Yes, any doubt? Briefly explain. Now next is page number 96. chapter number 9. In chapter number 8, we discuss how to frame the form, how to create the form. Now, in this chapter, we will discuss how to create the coding. Okay, how to insert the coding. Okay, students. Adding image in the form. अगर आपने फॉर्म में कोई इमेज इंसर्ट करनी है, so this is with the help of property. प्रॉपर्टी किसकी प्रॉपर्टी होगी? फॉर्म की. ठीक है. तो इन केस यू वांट टू इंसर्ट एनी पिक्चर इनसाइड योर form, there is ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जो आपके पास क्वेश्चन था जहां में हमने पिक्चर लिखा हुआ था, दैट टूल इज पिक्चर बॉक्स, नॉट अ पिक्चर. लास्ट क्वेश्चन था आइडेंटिफाई द टूल्स. ठीक है, वो पिक्चर बॉक्स है. ठीक है, हाँ, इमेज की जगह लिखना है पिक्चर बॉक्स. तो हमने इमेज लिखा हुआ था ना, पॉइंटर. तो पिक्चर बॉक्स, व्हाई वी यूज द पिक्चर बॉक्स? टू इंसर्ट एनी इमेज इन द फॉर्म. फॉर्म में कुछ भी अगर आपने कोई पिक्चर इंसर्ट करनी है, देयर इज पिक्चर बॉक्स कंट्रोल और टूल. क्लियर? So first step is create the form. Clear? How we can insert the form? Whenever we open the Visual Basic, there is a new project, then Visual Basic application, window application, and form is automatically created. Now after that, in toolbox, which tool you will select? Picture box tool. Press there, come to your form, and you will have to draw one rectangle. With the help of mouse, what you will do? You will have to draw one rectangle or square. After that, a dialog box will appear. You will have to select the picture, and the same picture will be inserted in your form. So in next week, we will do two things. One is coding portion. Another is how to insert picture and graph objects. Okay, for example, you want to draw circle or you want to draw one rectangle. ये सारे के सारे हमने next week में practical में एक बार करके देखनी है. तो अभी हमने क्या, अगर in case you want to insert any picture, way is in the tool box, select picture box, come to your form, you will have to draw one rectangle. So a dialog box will appear, select the image with the help of browse button, and after that same image will be inserted in the form. Clear? This is dialog box is in page number 97. You can click on local resource or you can click on project resource. आपने आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा. Next is okay students, now tell me, in case we want to insert any oval shape, so there is oval shape button, oval shape control is in the toolbox, page number 98. select oval shape and come to your form and draw one rectangle. And in case you want to draw rectangle, where you will have to click rectangle shape. Clear? So these are the different shapes we can. Picture boxes are different. Picture box, when we draw the rectangle in the picture box, image will be inserted in the area. But when we draw oval or rectangle, only shape will be there. These in toolbox. You can whenever we draw the square or rectangle, these are the resizing buttons are there. Okay? Place your mouse here and drag it. आप उसको सर्कल बना लो, ठीक है, उसको ओवल बना लो, किसी भी शेप में यू कैन कन्वर्ट. But it depends on the application. We will check in our application. Okay, there is only single time pointer will be there. Okay, online student, any doubt, beta? Students, in mathematics, we know that there are, for example, stand up now. In mathematics, we use some characters for storing the data. For example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B. These are called variables. Variables in where? Visual Basic. These are called variables. And how to declare variables? That is with the help of dim. Dim stand for dimension. Okay. Here I declare how many variables we have? 3 variables. A, B, C. Clear? So 3 it means without, suppose I am using here A is equal to 20, it will generate error. Why error? Because without declaration we can't use any variable. Okay? And variables names are user defined. For example, you are making the calculation of simple interest. Variables may be amount, rate of interest, and here is third one is time and interest. These are the which one? Variables. And how to declare? Simply using dim. These variables having data types. Tell me 10 and 20. Its data type. It is integer. इसकी data type कौन सी है? Integer. If I am giving here 20.25, it is float. और अगर आपके पास इसको more specifically, this is a decimal और इसको float भी कह सकते हैं. Suppose here I am giving here name equal to Amit. Now tell me here name is a variable और उसकी value कौन सी है? Amit. Amit is of a numeric data type, integer. कौन सी data type है इसकी? string. Its data type is string. And if I am giving any date of birth equal to now this is date. So data, according to the data type, there are data types. Clear? So each variable having its own data type. अब हमने data type कैसे देनी है? Here I am going to discuss how to give the data type. Now div A as integer or int. Come in. No. So int here A as integer. It means data type of A is integer. Here we can't give string value. Clear? Div E as date. Now its data type is date. So we can't give another value. Div C as string. So its data type is string. We can't give any other value. And remember one, if there are multiple variables, Now 3 variables, data types are string. A की भी string है, B की भी string है और C की. और अगर आपके पास there are some variables of a string and some variables are of integer, so declare them separately. मैं भी डिस्कस करूं. Clear? Now tell me one. Yes, last bench. During my lecture, I discuss one thing. When we get the input from any text box, its data type is. मैंने डिस्कस किया था ये. While discussing coding, मैंने text box की जो value थी उसको convert किया था by using val function. Yes, sir. Pattern is string. By default, it is string. तो जब भी आपने text box में कोई भी value fill करोगे, उसकी data type कौन सी होगी? String. So that's why we converted that with the val function into number or integer. Clear? Val function convert according to your value. If you have given value in points 12.25, तो data type क्या हो जाएगी? Float. ठीक है? If you are taking here, okay students, time is over. We will continue next period. Okay, beta, take care. Bye.